Okay, so what I did, I already created a MySQL server and I forgot to record. So what I'm going to do, I will create it one more time and record it. So we go to create resource and then databases, and we can go to, there's an Azure for MySQL database, which I don't see it here. Azure database for MySQL. Then we have single server or flexible server. We will choose single server for now. And my previous server, it was still in process, but here uh, I will create a new one and we'll see together here how it's like. I'll call this server name easy900 mysql database, backup no backup, and then take Europe West Europe here, this. Then here 5.7, we'll choose Azure admin 123 question mark, cannot use, and then we'll use easy 900 question mark, easy 900, and then easy 900 question mark, easy 900. Next, no interruption to worry about at this moment. We'll give it a name, MySQL server easy 900, and here name, that's the name was already here, and here is the tag. Next is easy 900. Next, review and create, validation, create. So what happening here now? No, I'm not saving any password now. What happening here, I was trying to update in the connection security settings for my previous database that I didn't connect. And here I'm creating the new that I just created, MySQL database. It's taking time now. When I'm done with this, it should be something like this. So here I have the database details. Now to connect for it from my device, we need to install some client. And for now, I'm going to install Workbench. There's another, so many different clients, and I'm going to install on Mac OS Workbench. Can install it meanwhile we create a new, and then here say log in now or sign up for free account. Using no thanks, just start my download. Exactly, that's what you want. For now, you don't want to download this for sign up. So yeah, I'm downloading my account now. And down here is the download process. Is takes a few minutes. It's not that small file. So we'll wait for it, as we're waiting here also for our new database. Now what will happen is when we connect to it, we go to connection security and client IP, which is my device. So firewall will allow my IP to connect, and connection string, we can use the connection string when we are using some programming languages to add this automatically. So here what we have, our new database already created, and here is the new database with the name easy900 MySQL database, subscription, server name, and so on. And I was talking here about connection string is very useful. You just copy paste in your code to make your code directly connecting to your database. Now there is a server parameter and replication. We're not going through this. If we will go to connection security. So now hanging, since I click on the parameter, seems okay, there is a lot of parameter, that's why hanging. If I go overview again, go connection security and say deny public network, I'll say no. Allow access to Azure services, yes. And firewall rule, and here allow access to Azure services, yes. And this add current client, yes, it is my client. Enable TLS certificate, and I'll save this. This is again take quite few times since I was doing this before, until now not finished. Go to home and see what happened to the workbench. I'm going to install it now on my Mac.